Class 11, let us continue the chapter exercise 6. Sum number 1 part 3. Sum is already done. 1 plus cos 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha by 1 minus cos 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha is equal to cot alpha. We have to prove. Let's start from one left hand side. So we have written this one. Now 1 plus cos 2 alpha is equal to what? Now cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta, and cos square theta minus sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so it is coming 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so 2 cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So instead of 1 plus cos 2 alpha, we can write 2 cos square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha for sin 2 alpha. Now 1 minus cos 2 alpha means what? Cos 2 theta is equal to, again, instead of cos square theta, if we put 1 minus sin square theta, so it is coming 1 minus 2 sin square theta here. So now take 2 sin square theta to the left hand side, then we will get 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So instead of 1 minus cos 2 alpha, we can write 2 sin square alpha. Okay. Now, and sin 2 alpha equals to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Now take common 2 cos alpha from the numerator and 2 sin alpha from the denominator. Then what we will get? In the bracket we will get cos alpha plus sin alpha, and here we will get sin alpha plus cos alpha. Now let us cancel the sin alpha plus cos alpha as a common factor, and 2 from the both numerator and denominator. So cos alpha by sin alpha, that gives us cot alpha, which is equal to right hand side. Okay. Now next sum. Next sum is very good. Let me rub the board. I'm not going to rub this formula because all the time we need this type of formula. That's why. Okay, this is 1 part 4. Part 4. What is the question? Cos to the power 6 a plus sin to the power 6a is equal to 1 by 4, 1 plus 3 cos square 2a. Okay. Now let's start from the left side. Now cos square to the power 6, so we can write this as cos square a whole cube. Now a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b. That formula we will write. So a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab into a plus b. Now cos square a plus sin square a, we know that is 1. So we will get 1 minus 3 cos square a sin square a, and this is also 1. So 1 minus 3 cos square a sin square a. Now let us write 1 minus, as we have to prove 1 by 4, so make it 3 by 4 into 4 sin square a cos square a. That we can write. 4 sin square a cos square a means 2 sin a cos a whole square. So we can write 2 sin a cos a whole square. 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a. So it is coming sin square 2a. Sin square 2a. Okay. So sin square 2a means 1 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 minus, as the form is in terms of cos, so let us change it in terms of cos. So instead of sin square 2a, we will write 1 minus cos square 2a. Okay. So 1 minus cos square 2a. Now we will get just expand this formula. Minus 3 by 4 minus minus plus 3 by 4 cos square 2a. 1 minus 3 by 4 means 4 minus 3 by 4. So it is coming 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 cos square 2a. Okay, yes, we have got. Now that is equals to, if we take common 1 by 4, we will get 1 plus 3 cos square 2a, which is equal to right hand side. That only we have to prove. Okay, next sum. Next sum number 5. 1 part 5. One plus sine 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by cos theta is equal to 2 sine theta. Okay, now same as before, let's start from left hand side. Okay, now 1 minus, just rearrange this. 1 minus 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2 sine square theta, and sine 2 theta means 2 sine theta cos theta, and here it is sine theta plus cos theta only. Keep it like this, no need to change. Now from the numerator take common 2 sine theta. Okay, and denominator already sine theta plus cos theta existing, so these two will be cancelled, and it is coming 2 sine theta, which is equal to right hand side. Next sum number 7. 5 after 5 is sum number 7. I think now it is clear. Let me rub the book. What did I say? Sum number 7. Okay. Sum number 7. Question is sec 8 alpha. We have to prove sec 8 alpha minus 1 by sec 4 alpha minus 1 is equal to tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. Okay. Tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha, that we have to prove. So let's start from the left hand side. Sec 8 alpha means 1 by cos 8 alpha. Okay. Now look, 1 minus cos 2 alpha equals to 2 sine square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sine square theta. So if I write 1 minus cos 8 alpha is there. So say 1 minus cos 8 theta means, so if I do it like this, cos 8 theta means 1 minus cos 4 into 2 theta. Then what we will write? 1 minus cos 8 theta means 2 into 4 theta. 2 into 4 theta means 1 minus cos 2 theta means we can write this as 2 sine square 4 theta. We can write 2 sine square 4 theta for 1 minus cos 8 theta. So 1 minus cos 8 alpha we can write 2 sine square 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha and cos that no need to change this on 1 minus cos 4 alpha. If we write here 1 minus cos 4 alpha, say, so 4 alpha 1 minus cos 4 theta, say 4 theta means 4 theta means 2 into 2 theta, 2 into 2 theta, so cos 2 theta again, so 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta, so 2 sine square 2 alpha, 2 sine square 2 alpha for 1 minus cos 4 alpha. Okay, 2 sine square 2 alpha, and as it is cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha, we will not change. Now 2 this much we can cancel, and sine square 4 alpha is there. 2 sine square 4 alpha. You can do one thing, no need to cut this 2, then it will be easier for us to. Okay, do one thing. 2 sine square 4 alpha, so keep it like this. 2 sine 4 alpha into sine 4 alpha. Afterwards we will write. So this is cos 4 alpha into sine 4 alpha. Write like this. Same here. 2 sine 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha we can write now sine 2 alpha into sine 2 alpha. So 2 sine 2 alpha into sine 2 alpha into cos 8 alpha. Keep it like this. We cannot change it. Okay. Now 2 sine A cos A means sine 2A. So it is coming sine 2 into 8 alpha, 4 alpha. So it is coming sine 8 alpha. Got it? And here it is sine 4 alpha. Keep it. Now 2 sine 2 alpha, sine 2 alpha. Keep like this. Sine 2 alpha, sine 2 alpha, and it is cos 8 alpha. Okay, now sine 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha, sine 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha, this much we can write as tan 8 alpha. Okay, and sine 4 alpha means sine 2 into 2 alpha, so we can write 2 sine 2 alpha cos 2 alpha divided by 2 sine 2 alpha sine 2 alpha. Okay, now these two we can cancel. Sine 2 alpha we can cancel. So cos 2 alpha by sine 2 alpha is cot 2 alpha. Now tan 8 alpha into cot 2 alpha. Cot 2 alpha means 1 by tan 2 alpha. So we have got this one. Tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha, which is equal to right hand side. I think now it's clear to you. Okay, next I'm coming with new video. This video has become very long.